The NASDAQ put in a constructive session on Wednesday, 11/18. As you can see, volume was slightly larger than the day before, with being down 0.48%. Technical distribution day. However, whenever you have a big tail at the end of the price action, like we had today, you don't close. As you can see, 21.93. Intraday low yesterday is 21.90. Don't close to a new low even on the past 2 days. And volume's below average. It's kind of hard to call it a heavy distribution day. So to me, it's just a nice little pullback. Once again, the red bar is bigger than the green bars. But you know what? That's been the case during this uptrend. And all that matters is as long as the price keeps making new highs, we keep staying with those new highs. We have 2 new longs tonight. Yes, some have low average daily volume, but obviously those are limit order only stocks or very tiny market orders. Use a little bit of common sense when it comes to this stuff. New York Stock Exchange, not a technical distribution day. You can see the nice intraday tail support. Intraday support here yesterday. Intraday support again. Actually, overall, an inside day besides the outerly range that did get it above 72.37 to 72.49 before closing at 72.26. Dow Jones Industrial Average, I don't think we've looked at it in a while. Like 2 days. See, another nice bullish intraday tail on a down day. Constructive consolidation all around. If you ask me, everything is gravy. Gold, what do you say about gold? More new highs. Silver, doing similar action. And, yeah, that's not right. DXY0. The dollar continues to stay below that 50-day moving average. That's all you need to know there. Not good. Now let's go to our 2 new longs. KGN. This one didn't have low average volume. As you can see, it was pulling back here after going up a lot on getting max green bop. A lot of green bop in it on the most recent run. A lot of accumulation. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight up days is not a good stock to buy, obviously. So it had to pull back. Start the pullback as it goes along. You can see it, volume getting below average. Still holding on that green bop today. Pop, pop. Green bop pops a little bit. Heavier volume, strong volume. 645 is the close. 645 is the high a day. So to me, this is a buy signal. Basically, breaking out of this, you can do this. Breaking out of this little pennant formation. Or you could even like just say, well, actually, technically it's a flag, I guess. This one right here. Or breaking out right here. Either way, flag, pennant, I don't care what you call it. It's a breakout to new highs with strong volume and a lot of green bop. That's what I like. However, my favorite long tonight is one that's a problem. Yes, EVTC is a small stock. Still, you can put a limit order at 650, 645, 640, 635, 630, small market order. I don't care. You know what I care about? Look at all the green bop in this stock. Nothing but green bop going back to the end of July. Not only is there a ton of green bop along with max green bop from October to November and max green bop now, but look at all the big tall green bars in the middle. That's volume. Look at all the intraday reversals in August. Look at all the positive action in September. Look at the tight basing pattern in October. And look at all the bullish action with all the tails in November. Get a bounce pretty near the 50-day moving average. Let's get really close up. You can see it close higher than where it opened, 635, 638. Don't need a high day close whenever you have a big intraday reversal on huge volume with a max green bop and a chart that's already got a ton of green bop and a ton of accumulation and beautiful price action. This is what it looks like to me on my regular charts. Nice tight action. And this has been a nice one of mine, of course, like I said. Started to pick it up here. Probably could have went long there. But bop was lower than the day before. Passed. Whoops. Still waiting for my entry. Now I have it with the max green bop. Beautiful, beautiful chart. I like this one a lot. However, can't get nuts, brah. 638. That ain't going to cut it. Low average volume. That ain't going to cut it. Here's about its average. 24,000. Be careful. Be careful. I look for volume at least 100,000 before doing a market order. So you got your marching orders. Market still in an uptrend. Constructed consolidation day. Bullish intraday action. One beautiful chart EVTC. One bullish gold stock KGN. I'm going to LA. See my family for the first time in 12 years. Like I said, if things were normal, I don't think it would have been 12 years since I seen my mom and sister. My father's passed away. But I'm sure I'm supposed to handle that like a champ, right? And just be like a robot and just do whatever you got to do. Just show no weakness. This game is such crap sometimes. But you know what isn't crap? Charts and family. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on the next 5 days. There will be no videos. There will be full, long, shorts updates, forums updates. Poke my head in the chat room. But right now, I got to do this. I've been doing this website for a long time. Not a long time, I don't know, a few years. I've been investing on my own, trading stocks since the age of 16. I am now 30. 14 years almost of doing this on my own. And I'm going to have this website till I'm probably dead, which with my luck will be at the age of 100. So you have another 70 years to deal with me. I think it's okay to take some time off right now just to get back on a level playing course. I wouldn't abandon me just yet, everybody. I'll be back. Take it easy.